up, YouTube? Oops. We're in APC. With sila mommy D. Who that? Oh. What's up, YouTube?
Gusto nila sa mga.
Mother.
Sabi ko, paano ba? Wala kayo pa.
May parking.
Hindi sabi mo pa park sila sa ano.
There's Tita Wins chasing Kobe and Aria. Hello po. For the sake of my life, I cannot vlog in public. Balik.
Sa time zone, yung dating time zone sa...
Nandun na yung ano.
Hello, my name is Kobe Kaya. My dada peaceful. Okay. Save
Hi, Kobe and Ate Arya.
Oh, hey guys. I just took a picture of Kobe.
Hi ka. May si Daddy?
Complete
Nonchalant.
ulit ang Laka Fam. Ngayon na lang ulit na complete ang Laka Fam.
Roll call. Asan si John? Paano? Maharap pa to? John. Dalawa. O ayaw.
What?
Hello. So, we're here sa town. I cannot remember town anymore. Parang kahapon nandito ka lang ako. There's Tita Manju. No need.
I have a camera. Took a picture of everybody. Hey, mommy, let's take a photo.
Say hi. Say hi.
Yes! Oh, dito pala si Coret.
Oh, dito na. Say hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That's a dwarf planet?
Excuse me.
Oh. Where are we
Bro.
going?
I don't know. I just want to meet Tita Eyes.
Oh. Kahit sa school, tawag mo sa kanya Tita Ice. Bago to ah. Hey. Chobi, stay here.
Come here.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, and I'm very sick.
Where my money?
I have it, but do you wanna spend it all here ba? Or do you wanna buy other things? You can spend it on toys. Paano kapag wala kang nakuha sa claw machine? E di wala na.
Hurry, Mom. Mommy, hurry, please. I want.
Do you have money? How much is your money?
Come on. Please,
How
come
much is your
on.
money? Ba? How-
For they see directly before their eyes. The Lord restoring Zion. Break out together in song, O Rubens.
Okay.
by his mighty word.
So how much?
Why am I so... Why is it so up? Ano ba to? Ay!
What's your gift? I'll give you na lang 1,500 kasi hirap ka pinagaluhan.
Really?
I don't know what you want.
Wag lang tayo, okay? Let's go na.
Nasaan sila?
Bumili ng espresso.
Dito sila.
Wag lang tayo, okay? Let's go na.
Nasaan sila?
Bumili ng espresso.
Dito sila. Ayaw suotin.
Iiyakan lang niya na ayaw sa tinitip.
Ayaw niya kit.
Medyo nalakihan niya yung size.
Sila Maggie.
Ni Ate Ali. Ano ba yan?
Si, Ma
Gusto ni Ate Ali yung ano niya.
si Kobe lang nakakit eh.
Iiyakan ka.
Hey, where are you going?
Here's a card.
Why? Do you have something to buy there?
Oh, I want it.
Sa Flying Tiger meron? Ano bibilin mo?
Wala naman ata eh.
Wala ka naman bibilin yata dyan.
Hey guys! So, my teacher's gonna buy me a Christmas gift. We're gonna go to Kobe. Kobe, ako ba? Baby. Abu.
Go wait. You hold it. Put it.
You hold it.
1, 2,
Big cat. Oh, standing.
They're gonna vlog it though. They're gonna put in the video.
Guys, who's your favorite person in the whole wide world? We all know. Jesus Christ. Guys, Loki, Jesus Christ is our savior. Like, remember Christ the Savior was born in Christmas Day.
Pina-vlog mo naman yung teeth mo eh.
Hey, I'm not.
Saka na lang dalawa.
Thank you.
Wala.
Oh, ito na.
Thank you. Thank you, my bestie. Nakikiliti ako
Oh,
ngayon.
para hindi na ako maghahanap ng regalo. Oh, someone's calling. Why?
That.
They're there, oh. Oh, wait. Off mo yan kasi
Okay, bye.
mauubos yung ano ko eh.
Bye.
Ano ginawa mo? Nakabili ka ng gusto mo?
Can I vlog?
Kaya mo yun?
Pagkatapos sumayaw. You're not tough in Korea.
Pag tinitingnan namin yung mga picture at video natin noon, mga last year pa lang, ang laki ng pinagbago mo.
Para makapaglaban tayo. Tulog ako.
Skating na pa dito yung sapatos na merong gulong dito. Si Ali dati.
Oo.
Gulong yung may sapatos. Ay, gulong yung sapatos na may gulong.
Oh my gosh. Shut up.
Bye, Daddy.
Shoes.
Bye, Mommy. Kobe, bye. Hug. Hug. Huggy. Hug me. Hug me. Hug at Ori after you stop. Hug at Ori.
Pogi niya dyan. Mukha na siyang matanda, no?
Escalator is dangerous.
Awesome. Are you sleepy na ba? Okay, stop crying. Stop crying. You're with Tita Kang na. Ganda ni Mami today.
Talaga ba?
Yeah, today lang. Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang. Tignan mo yung baby. Oh. Hawak-hawak ni Tita Kang. Bag.
Dito baka may memory card doon.
Oo nga. Meron na. First time ulit mag Christmas party. Magpasko together. Buo ang Laka Fam. After 2 years. Gusto mo niyan? Bumili ka na. Yan ang regalo ko sa'yo.
Gusto ko yung camera.
Oh, hindi ba totoo yun?
Hindi. Gusto ko yung G7X.
Tumingin ka sa ano. Magkano ba yun?
Mura lang ako.
Tayo
Mo
dyan.
nang isipin yun. Kasi mo na lang. Wala nang isip-isip.
Wala nang isip-isip yun? Wala nang tanong-tanong?
Wala nang tanong-tanong. Basta
Tap lang?
G7X Smart 3 para sa asawa
Magkano
ko
kaya
yan na
yun?
napakaganda.
Nasa yellow
at
basket ba yun?
Walang mga
Baka pwede pa sa yellow basket yun.
Basta isang tap lang ng ganyan. Yun
Mahirap
na yun.
tayo dun. Napaka-scam
No
yan ah.
questions asked.
Mahirap yun.
Yan.
Baka
Wala
mapudol
namang
tayo
magkano.
dyan. 30.
Ayer.
Ayer. Pero sobra-sobra ka. 50?
Ayer.
Tayo dyan.
Basta wag mo na lang isipin.
Huwag na natin yung vlog to.
Huwag mo nang isipin yun kasi ang isipin mo, Pupi, ang daming ginawa ng asawa mo. Napakaganda at napakabait. Ngayong Christmas, all
Ganon?
will happen in behalf
Ay, gano'n.
and half
Ano?
of you. I did a lot.
Gano'n.
I deserve that.
So,
Yeah.
pwede ba reimburse?
Walang mga ganun-ganun.
O, tingin mo to. Nice Kang. Galing ah, dati Kang ikaw yung binubuhat, ngayon ikaw na yung nagbubuhat. Kobe, is Tita Kang thumbs up or thumbs down? Oy, thumbs up ah! Thumbs up ah!
Thumbs up, Gabrielle.
Hello, my name is Papi Kayon. My dada peaceful. Okay. Team Aboy!